Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's brined chicken cooked in the Ninja Foodi. To a litre of water we add 1.5 lemons, our salt, sugar, pickling spice, sage, thyme and some rosemary, and we just bring it to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes to amalgamate those flavours. Give it a good stir to dissolve that salt. Then we're going to pour it once it's been chilled with some ice cubes in the fridge. A good sprinkle of pepper. We're going to pour it into a container large enough to hold our chicken, which we just remove that excess fat from. A couple of cloves of crushed garlic. Okay, give it a good stir, pop it into the fridge and let it chill right down. Then we're going to completely submerge our chicken in that brining solution and pop a couple of pieces of lemon in the cavity. Lid on, into the fridge and let it marinate in there for a minimum of 3 hours and up to overnight. Okay, after about 3 or 4 hours in the fridge, this is what we should have. We're going to drag our marinated brined chicken out now, put it into the Ninja Foodi, pour the brining solution all over it as well, including the lemons and the thyme, actually all of the brining solution all over it, okay. Put the pressure cooker lid on, close the vent. Okay, select the pressure cooker function on high for 10 minutes, which you should be on 10 minutes, and then press start. You see this little wheel turn around? That's actually bringing it to pressure. Once it comes to pressure, that's when the countdown will start from 10 minutes down to 0. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're just going to force release the steam and remove the lid. Then we're going to remove the chicken in the basket, put it onto a plate, drain the brining solution away, which has done its job now, and it's too salty to be used in anything else, including stock. We are then going to return our brined chicken back to the foodie and brush it with some melted butter and cook it on the air crisp function for about 10 minutes. Okay, just remove our lemon. It's done its job now. Our little herbs and seeds and stuff. Pick that up and pop that back into the foodie, and then we're going to brush it with some melted butter and cook it for 10 minutes on the air crisp function until it's nice and crispy. Okay, bit of melted butter here. Kitchen's pretty warm at the moment. This isn't going to take very long to melt even more, and brush it all over. Leave those couple of pieces of lemon in the cavity of the chicken and that will be permeating from the inside out. We're going to cook this for another 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, we'll baste it every couple of minutes with our butter because everything tastes better with butter. Air crisp, 10 minutes, basting every 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, we're going to give him a little brush now with some more butter. See the skin all bubbling up, getting nice and brown. Now I'm just going to set our little vegetables around there. They've already been steamed. I've brushed them with a bit of butter. I'm just going to get a bit of colour on them while the chicken is cooking. Okay, after 12 minutes, look what we have here. It is so moist and tender and juicy. I'm going to have trouble getting this out. It's just going to fly to bits, I think. You can see that it colours on the bottom as well. Oh, so let me just fill out. It's okay. It's done its job. Now everything, actually, I'm going to put our garlic bread in there now and take the lemon out, don't need that in there, and put it on the grill function, and that can cook until it's nice and crispy. It's down low so it won't take very long. Set for 10 minutes, let that rest a little bit. Okay, let's joint this chicken, shall we? Come down through the leg bone, pull it aside and you will find a little bone there. Okay, just cut through that bone. Can you see that? It's absolutely dripping, it's so juicy, and of course it's very well cooked. Go with a bit of the breast meat now and the flipper, the wing. Look at that, look at that. That is so moist and tender, it's just falling apart. Same thing, find a joint with your knife and zap through it. And look at that, buttery, basted, beautiful. Just falling off the bone. This is the best plan I've had in ages. Thank you very much, John Davis. A wonderful suggestion. A few peas coming for that and a bit of gravy. Everything was cooked in the Ninja Foodi, as you can see. Garlic bread still going. Okay, after just 4 minutes, we've got our crispy garlic bread here. Nice bit of colour on that. Cooked on both sides, as you can see. Cut that into some chunks. Turn off the Ninja Foodi. That's going to have to soak for a little bit. And we'll just cut these into this and that. Crispy unctuous. A little bit of gravy on there. And there you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's brined chicken cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Some garlic bread and all the trimmings. Let's have a little taste, shall we? It's absolutely falling apart. It's not dry at all. It's really moist and juicy. The lemon, the herbs, the garlic. It's stunning. I'll try this with turkey next. Yummo. Thanks for watching.